Hi, and welcome to Whenever You're Ready. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up and use your debt calculator. First, when you come into the spreadsheet, you will see currency. Here you can enter your um, your currency. I'm using USD, so I'll just go ahead and enter that, and it will appear in the entire spreadsheet. Second, you'll go in and choose your start date. So we can say 2025, January. And then the spreadsheet will start in January of 2025. Second, you will go in and choose your method. So you have the option between the debt snowball method, which is taking your lowest balance and you are paying your payments in that option, or the debt avalanche, which is taking your highest interest and it will start with that card first. And then the last strategy is custom strategy, which is the order of this table here below. So if you wanted to pay your cards in a specific order, you can just order them in that way and use this custom strategy option. And just to show you what I mean here as far as the different options. So the debt snowball option, we're taking that lowest balance first. So the Discover card is going first as it has $500 balance. And then in the debt avalanche strategy, it switches to the American Express because it has the highest interest. So we're starting to pay off the highest interest first. And then custom strategy, it will take the exact order of these cards here. So it'll start with the Capital One, then go to the Amex, then go to the Discover. Then the second option, then step number 4 is to go ahead and put what your extra payment would be. So you don't have to add an extra payment if if you don't have extra to add, but you would go ahead and add whatever extra amount you could pay in addition to your minimum payments. And then the next step, step 4, you would go in and step 5, you would go in and add your Capital One, your credit cards. So we'll go ahead and add one now. We can write, and say the balance is and the interest rate, we can say it's and the minimum payment. So here you can see that this Amazon credit card has automatically added over here on the right-hand side. And basically what's happening is this spreadsheet is fully automated. So at the end of every month or at the beginning of every month, you will see a automatic strike through. So we are assuming that the minimum payment has at least been made in addition to this extra payment if you choose to do so. And with that, you will see how the calculations are panning out here. So it gives you your debt-free date for each card. And then your overall debt-free date is going to show here on the left-hand side, as well as the monthly minimum, the monthly payments that you're making, and the initial balance. So there's detailed instructions that will come on your spreadsheet as well. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and we're happy to help. Thank you.